Hello, everyone. My name is Kat Abraham, and I am here to teach you a little bit about Google Slides and how to make them interactive. As I'm going through this introduction, I just wanted to also incorporate things that I would do in my own classroom during my regular teaching. So, the first thing, just to show you, is if I want to be able to edit things or add things on here. So, for example, if it says a training for blank, and I want to do this live with my students, you can't really edit when you're in a full screen slideshow mode, but you can make it a little bit bigger because I know some projectors are blurry or small in classrooms. So I like to move the film strip over because I don't need to look at all of those. But if you do scroll down and up, it'll take you to the next one. And then to make it even bigger, I also like to hide the menu, hide the toolbar up there. And then that way I can still go, oh, okay, students are training for. The answer is teachers. And I can write it in there while also, being able to have a larger interactive slide. So that's just one example of interactive slides. Okay, so I obviously am going to tell you a little bit about myself, but while I'm in the process, I'm also showing you kind of what I do to make my slides a little bit more poppy, a little bit more appealing to whatever the audience is. So there's a lot of things about me on here, including my previous experience, basically what I've been doing, and this is kind of just a lot of fluff. And if you teach, honestly, any grade, that's just a lot to read on one slide. So basically what I would like to do is just delete kind of all the extra things that don't really need to be there, extra words and sentences, things that just are irrelevant the to the audience. You want every slide to have a purpose. And then also obviously try to add some type of picture, icon, or visual, um, especially for younger grades. So when I get rid of all this fluff, I am able to have a larger font, which is great because you don't know if students might need glasses or maybe they're not able to communicate with you and they don't know if they need glasses. I know that was an issue for me when I was in high school. And then you can even change colors or make it more bold as well. But just going from this to that is just kind of nice because it allows the audience members to kind of see a little bit more and potentially be able to read it if they are farther away or they don't have access to it on their Chromebooks and whatnot.